Hello my dear students, I warmly welcome you to CR's digital classes. In this video, we are going to solve some more questions from our topic or our section Algebraic and Geometrical Ability. First question or 121st question is from a top of a building of height 20 meters. So let us assume this is the top of the building of height what? 20 meters. The angle of depressions of the top and the bottom of a tower. So this is the building and this is a tower. So from the top of this particular building, we are seeing the another tower and we are measuring the angles. So we are measuring the angles like this. So he is saying that the angles of depressions of top and bottom of the tower is 30 and 60 degrees. So the value of here, the angle of depression, or from this point the angle of elevation here is same. So here 30 degrees, then the value here is 60 degrees. Now what we have to find? We have to find the height of this tower. So we have to find the height of this tower. So let us take this as AB as our building and CD as our tower. CD as our tower. So let us see in the triangle ABC. Let us observe in the triangle ABC. So 60 degrees opposite to 60 degrees we will be having 20 by root 3. Here I am applying the tan theta rule or any sin theta rule. So here 60 degrees, the value of BD is 20 by root 3. So if BD is let us assume this as X. So XC is also 20 by root 3. The value of XC is also 20 by root 3. Now the angle here is 30 degrees. So if here the angle is 30, then the angle here is what? 60. Then the AX, the length of AX will be what? The length of AX will be 20 by root 3 divided by root 3, which is 20 by 3. So the length of AX is 20 by 3. Now I want to find the length of CD. So in order to find the length of CD, what I have to do is I have to subtract the length of AB and AX. So AB minus AX is CD. So we know the length of AB. The length of AB is what? 20. And the length of AX is what? 20 by root 3. Let us take 20 as common. So 1 minus, so root 3, this is not root 3 but it is 3. So 1 minus 1 by 3. Then 20 into 2 by 3, or I can write this as 40 by 3. So the answer of 40 by 3 is what? 13 1 by 3. So our answer is 13 1 by 3, which is option B. Okay, now coming to the next question, which is if sum and product of the roots of this equation ax square minus 5x plus c is equals to 0 are equal to 10 each. Here sum is also 10 and product of the roots is also 10. So let us see the given equation of a line is ax square minus 5x plus c is equals to 0. So the value of a here is a and the value of b here is minus 5 and the value of c here is c. So sum of the roots alpha plus beta, sum of the roots is nothing but b by a or minus b by a, sorry, sum of the roots is minus b by a. So minus the value of b is minus 5 by the value of a is a. So the sum of the roots is given as, so the sum and product of the roots is equals to 10. So let us equate this to 10. Then 5 by a is equals to 10. Then 5 2s are 10. Then the value of a is what? 1 by 2. So the value of a here is 1 by 2. Now let us take the product of roots, which is alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is nothing but c divided by a, and this value is given as 10. So the value of c we do not know, and we have already found the value of a, which is 1 by 2, that is equals to 10. Then the value of c is nothing but 10 multiplied by 1 by 2, which is 5. So the value of a is 1 by 2 and the value of c is 5. So our answer is what? Option A. Now coming to our next question, which is 123rd question. If one root of the equation 3x square minus 8x plus 2k plus 1 is 7 times the other, then the value of k. We should find the value of k here. So let us take the roots of this equation as alpha and beta. Alpha and beta. Now let us assume that if the first root alpha is small a, in this question he is saying that the first root one of the roots is 7 times the other. Then beta is 7. Now let us write the equation, which is 3x square minus 8x plus 2k plus 1 is equals to 0. Comparing this equation with our normal equation of straight line, which is ax square plus bx plus c, I can say that then the value of a here is what? 3, and the value of b is minus 8, and the value of c is this total 1, 2k plus 1. So we have to find the value of k. So let us see. So sum of the roots alpha plus beta is nothing but minus b by a. So sum of the roots is a plus 7a is equals to minus b is minus of minus 8 by the value of a is 3. So 8a is given as 8 by 3. Then the value of a is what? 1 by 3. So the value of a here is what? 1 by 3. So first root. So one of the roots is 1 by 3. Then another root will be what? Another root will be 7 by 3. So now let us see what is the value of product of roots. So we know that alpha multiplied by beta, or product of the roots, is equals to c by a. So 1 by 3 into 7 by 3 is equals to, the value of c here is 2k plus 1 divided by the value of a. The value of a is 3. So 3 and 3 gets cancelled. So I'm left with 7 by 3 is equals to 2k plus 1. So 7 is equals to 6k plus 3. Then 6k is equals to 4. Then the value of k. Then the value of k is what? 2 divided by 3. So our answer is what? 2 by 3, which is option A. Okay. So our answer is 2 by 3. Now coming to the next question, which is if a is not equals to b. So here he is saying that the first condition is a is not equals to b, and x square plus ax plus b and x square plus bx plus a have a common factor. Then which of the following condition is true? Which of the following condition is true? So let us assume any value. So let us assume that x minus k is a factor of both of these equations. If x minus k is a factor of both of these equations, then what? So let us assume the first equation as p. So p is equals to x square plus ax plus b, and the second equation as q. Q is equals to x square plus bx plus a. So if x minus k is a factor of p and if x minus k is a factor of q, then I can say that p of k, when k is substituted in the value of x, we will be getting 0, and in the same way q of k is also 0. Let us substitute the values k in these particular equations. Then p will become what? K square plus ak plus b. Let us take this as first equation, and q will become what? K square plus bk plus a. This is the second equation, the first equation and the second equation. So what we have to find? We have to show any of this result. So let us take one value, or let us subtract. Let us do 1 minus 2. So 1 minus 2 is what? K square minus k square is 0 plus ak minus bk plus b minus a. I am doing 1 minus 2. Then I am left with ak minus bk plus b minus a, or let us take the k as common, then a minus b, and I am taking 1 minus 1 common, then the value here will be a minus b. So a minus b into k minus 1. So these values are all equal to what? These are all equal to 0. These are all equal to is equals to 0. So if a minus b multiplied by k minus 1 is equals to 0, then we can say that a minus b is equals to 0 and a is equals to b, and k minus 1 is equals to 0, k is equals to 1. But in our first question itself, or the first condition itself, he said that a is not equals to b. So this should not be taken. So the value of k here is what? 1. So the value of k here is what? 1. So I can say that the value of k here is 1. Let us substitute in the equation 1. If we are substituting this in the equation 1, we are getting 1 plus a plus b is equals to 0, or a plus b plus 1 is equals to 0. So which is the first option. So our answer is what? A plus b plus 1 is equals to 0. Now coming to the next question, which is a number was divided successively. A number n, let us assume the number n, it is being divided by 4, 5, 6 successively. Then the reminders were, so when the number n is being successively divided by 2, 3 and 4, then 4, 5, 6. So it is being divided by 4, 5 and 6. Then the reminders are what? 2, 3 and 4. Reminders are what? 2, 3 and 4. Then we should find the number. So let us see. Let us draw a table for this. Okay. So we are dividing a number with what? 4, 5 and 6. So 4, 5 and 6. So these are the divisors. These are the divisors. And let us write the reminders in this table. So we are getting what reminders? So when we are dividing with 4, we are getting reminder what? 2. When we are dividing with 5, we are getting reminder 3. When we are dividing with 6, we are getting reminder 4. We are getting reminder what? 4. So the middle values here are quotient. The middle values here are quotient. So let us see. So let us assume 1 is the quotient. 1 is the quotient here. Then our first, this one is what? So the first quotient, or this one, will become 6 into 1. 6 ones are 6. And the remainder is what? Plus 4. Because we know that dividend is equals to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. So we are multiplying the divisor, which is 6, into quotient. Quotient here is what? 1, plus remainder here is 4. So we are getting the dividend. So dividend here is what? 6 plus 6 into 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 6 plus 4 is 10. So the first quotient is 10. Now what we have to do? We have to follow the same process itself. So the next dividend will be 5 into 10. 5 into 10 plus 3. So next dividend will be what? 5 multiplied by 10 plus 3, which is 5 times 30, 50 plus 3, 53, because 3 is the remainder here. And the last divisor, or the dividend, is equals to 53 multiplied by 4 plus 2. Let us see. 4 3s are 12, 4 5s are 20, 212 plus 2. 212 plus 2, so which is 214. So the number, so the particular number we started division with was 214. So our answer is what? 214. Okay. Now coming to the next question, which is if x plus y by xy is equals to 5 by 18. So given that x plus y divided by xy is equals to 5 by 18, or I can say that this is 5 ratio 18. So if this is 5 ratio 18, I can say that x plus y is equals to 5k and xy is equals to what? 18k. I am taking the values as 5k and 18k. In the same way, given that x minus y by xy is equals to 1 by 18, or I can say this is as 1 ratio 18, I can say that x minus y is equals to 1k and xy is equals to 18k. So the xy values here are both equal. So let us add both of these values, which is x plus y is equals to 5k and x minus y is equals to 1k. So the value of 2x will be 6k. Then the value of x will be 3k. Then the value of x is what? 3k. In this question, he is asking what? We have to find the value of 2x plus 3y. If the value of x is 3k, then the value of y will be what? 2k, because x plus y is giving 5k. So let us keep these values in this question. 2x plus 3y. 2 into x value is 3k plus 3 into y value is 2k. So 3 2s are 6k plus 6k. So our answer is what? 12k. So our answer should be a multiple of what? Our answer should be a multiple of 12. So let us see which of these options is a multiple of 12. So 36 is a multiple of 12. 32 is not a multiple of 12. 28 is also not a multiple of 12. And D is not also, 18 is not also a multiple of 12. So our answer is what? 36. Okay. Now coming to the next question, which is if x plus y is equals to a, y plus z is equals to b, and z plus x is equals to c, then what is x minus 2y plus z? So for this type of questions, what we will be doing is we can take values of x, y and z any value. So let us take x is equals to 1, y is equals to 2 and z is equals to 3 to avoid little bit confusion. So if x plus y is equals to a, so x is 1 and y is 2, so 1 plus 2 is equals to a, then the value of a is 3. In the same way, 2 plus 3 is equals to b, then the value of b is what? 5. In the same way, what? 3 plus 1 is equals to c, then the value of c is 4. So I now have the values of x, y and z, a, b and c. So let us substitute in this form, which is x minus 2y plus z. So the value of x is 1, y, the value of y is 2 into 2 plus z value is what? Z value is 3. So 1 minus 4 plus 3. So our answer for this is what? This answer is 0. So now we have to check which of these options is giving me 0. So let us take the first option. The first option is 2a, 2 into the value of a is 3 and the value of b is 5 and the value of c is 4. So 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 5 minus 4 is not equals to 0. So the first option is eliminated. Now coming to the second option. The second option says 2 into b. The value of b is 5 minus the value of a is 3. Then the value of c is 4. So 5 2s are 10 minus 7 is not equals to 0. The second option is also eliminated. Now coming to the third option. The third option says that 2 into c. The value of c is 4 minus 6 minus 2. The value of a is what? 3, sorry. The value of a is 3 and the value of b is 5. So 4 2s are 8 minus 8. 8 minus 8 is equals to 0. So we here in the third option we are also getting 0. So our answer is what? Option C. So our answer is what? Option C. Now coming to the next question, which is if 9 times the 9th term of an arithmetic progression is equals to 13 times the 13th term, then 22nd term of the arithmetic progression is what? So whenever you see this type of questions, the answer for this particular type of question is 0. Answer is what? 0. Because we cannot define the terms or the first and the common difference by using the only two statements. The only question that can be asked from this type of question is the 22nd term or whichever the term he is asking, that will be 0. So let us see how to solve this equation. So in the 9 times the 9th term, he is saying that 9 times the 9th term. The 9th term in an arithmetic progression is what? A plus n minus 1 into d. So n minus 1 is 9 minus 1, 8d. So 9 times the 9th term. So this is 9 times, this is the 9th term is equals to 13 times the 13th term. The 13th term is what? A plus n minus 1d. So which is 12d. So now what we have to find? We have to find the value of 22nd term. The 22nd term can be written as a plus 21d. So we have to find the value of a plus 21d. Let us see. 9a plus 8 9s are 72d is equals to 13a plus 13 into 12. 13 into 12 is 156. So let us see. 13 minus a. 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9 is what? 4a. So 4a is equals to minus 156 minus 72. 156 minus 72 is 4. 8. Right. 84. So which is 84. A is equals to 84d. So 4a is equals to minus 84d. In the same way, let us see. 4 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4. Then the value of a is what? Minus 21d. Then I can say that a plus 21d is equals to what? A plus 21d is 0. So the value of a plus 21d is 0. So our answer is 0. Now coming to the next question, which is if the third term of the geometric progression is 4. So the nth term in a geometric progression is a into r to the power of n minus 1. So here the third term. So he is asking what is the third term. So a into r to the power of 3 minus 1, then a r square. A r square is given as 4. Now what we have to find? We have to find the product of first 5 terms. So the first term in geometric progression is a. The second term is ar. The third term is ar square. Then the fourth term is ar cube. Then the fifth term is ar to the power of 4. Now we have to find the product of this number. So after multiplying all of these numbers, I can say that a to the power of 5 and r 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 1 10. So a to the power of 5, r to the power of 5. This can be written as what? A r square whole to the power of 5. So we know the value of a r square. A r square is what? This one is 5. So the value of a r square is what? 4. So our answer is what? 4 to the power of. So our answer is 4 to the power of 5. So here the 5 is on the power. So here also 4 to the power of 4. This is also 4 cube. This one is 4 to the power. So our answer is what? 4 to the power of 5. Now coming to the next question, which is if the coefficients of second, third and fourth term of an expansion of 1 plus x whole to the power of n are in arithmetic progression. He is saying that after expanding this expression, the second, third, fourth term are in arithmetic progression. So let us see. So if we try to solve this question in a basic method, then it will take a lot of time. What we will be doing is we will be writing the coefficients of binomial expansions. So let us see. So 1 1. This is the coefficient of a binomial expansion with degree 1. Then 121. This is the coefficient of second degree. Then 1331. This is third. 14641 fourth. Then 1 5 10 10 5 fifth 1. So what we have to check is we have to check whether second, third, fourth term are in arithmetic progression or not. So the second term is 3. So this is not in arithmetic progression. This is also not in arithmetic progression. This 5 plus 5 is 10. But instead of here, if the value here is 10, instead of 10, if there is 15, I can say that this is in arithmetic progression. So let us see 1 6 15 20 15 6 1. This is the sixth expansion or the binomial, the coefficient of degree 6. So 6 plus what? 6 plus what is 15? 6 plus 9 is 15 and 15 plus 4 is 20. This is not in arithmetic progression. Let us see 1 5 6 plus 1 is 7. 15 plus 6. 15 plus 6 is what? 21. 20 15 plus 20 35. So after seeing this, so from 7 to 21, 7 common difference. Then 21 to 35, there is also 7 common difference. So I can say that whenever the expansion is to the power of 7, I can say that the second term, third term and fourth term are in what? Are in arithmetic progression. So the n value should be what? 7. So our answer is 7, which is option B. So these are the questions that have been asked from your algebraic and geometric ability in your ICET examination. Thank you very much for watching this video and have a great day.